let the story begin. Welcome to the channel, I be wiggin'.
Hello friends, welcome back to I Be Wiggin'. Today I'm unboxing two new Moissanite rings from Read Your Heart. I'll be giving my honest first impressions, sizing notes, and the setting that I prefer. But before we get into it, let's take a look and see what they have to offer on the website. When you're on the website, you can shop the sales, browse the new arrivals and best sellers. They offer rings, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and various collections. Let's start with the packaging. Read Your Heart always does a great job with presentation. With your package, you get the ring, a gift bag, a polishing cloth, and a GRA certificate of authenticity, which I really appreciate. They package everything securely, nothing rattling around, everything's cushioned, so the stones don't take a joyride on the way to your house. Okay, first up we have the 5-stone round Moissanite crossover ring. You can choose between the 1, 2, or 3 carat size for that center stone. I chose the 3 carat, and on either side of that center stone are 2 additional stones that give it just that extra sparkle. You have crossover rows of stones that weave in and out every direction, giving you fire from every angle on the ring. It really is a striking design. It's bold and it's dramatic. The crossover detail is beautiful and the cut quality of the Moissanite is excellent. It's super bright and super crisp. Okay, here's the thing. This ring is too big for me. I always order my normal size 8 and I've never had issues with sizing until I chose this ring. On this particular ring, the issue for me is that that side design rubs up against my fingers, causing it to be a little uncomfortable. I can't say for sure how it would feel in my correct size, so I'll have to update you if I ever get to try the ring in the right fit. But if you are in between sizes, on this ring I would recommend sizing down. And since we're being honest here, the gold plating on this ring appears more yellow in person, and the gold plating on this intricate design around the Moissanites appears more yellow than it does on the band. So based on what I know and based on what I've seen with this gold version, I actually think that the silver would look cleaner. I don't have the silver to compare it to, and I've had other gold rings from Read Your Heart, and I actually have another one that I want to show you that it doesn't have that yellow appearance, but this one does. So based on that, if I was choosing between the two settings, I would choose silver. I think it would just appear brighter and look more consistent and cleaner. All right, let's move on to the next piece. Read Your Heart actually chose this one for me, and I'm glad that they did because it has a completely different feel from the first one. This is their oval Moissanite half-bezel engagement ring in yellow gold, and this is the 1 carat stone. You can choose between the 1, 2, or the 3 carat. The half bezel hugs the sides of the stone so it feels secure but still catches plenty of light. It's clean, it's modern, and that bezel setting gives you that sleek, seamless look. The taper on the band is subtle, but it's really flattering, and that oval cut is gorgeous. It's super bright, super sharp, and it's also GRA certified. The sizing on this one is true to size, and it's very comfortable, and because it sits low on the hand, if you're someone who catches your rings on your clothes, your hair, or even your wig, you don't have to worry about this one. If you love a minimalist ring with a little bit of a presence, then this is a great option. Here the rings are side by side so you can really see the differences. Both of these are the yellow gold plated versions, and you can see the tones aren't exactly the same. On the 5-stone design, the gold around the Moissanite reads more yellow, especially up close, while the oval half bezel has a softer gold tone overall. So here's the breakdown. The 5-stone crossover ring is bold and dramatic. The oval half-bezel ring is sleek, modern, and great for everyday wear. 2 totally different moods, both beautiful rings. You can't go wrong with either one. It just depends on your vibe. Let me know in the comments which style you're drawn to, the bold 5-stone crossover or the clean modern oval half bezel. I love hearing what you all think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.